Hello, my lovely students. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Today is Monday. It is 14th of December 2020. Today we are going to talk about saving water. So we are on page 42 in the student's book. So let's start. I want you to look at this picture and tell me what's this? Excellent. So this is water. This is water. Okay, is water important? Excellent. So water is very important. Can we live without water? No, we can't live without water. We as human beings, the plants, the animals, they can't live without water. So the water is very, very important. It is essential. Okay? So we can't live without water. Can you tell me what are the things that you use water for? Excellent. And brushing our teeth, washing our faces, drinking, washing our clothes. Excellent. So we can use water for many things. Okay? So look at this. What's this? Excellent. It is the earth. It is the plant that we live on. Okay? So as you can see here, we have water and land on the earth. The earth is or consists of water and land. Okay? I want you to look at the water and the land and tell me which is the bigger part, water or land? Excellent. So the water is bigger than the land or larger than the land. Okay. So the water is about 71% of the earth is water. Okay. So here the earth is, or water covers the most of the earth. Okay. But what is the problem? The problem is less and less of this water is okay, but most of the water is dirty and we can't use it. Okay, just a little of this water is drinkable and we can use it, but most of the water is we can't use it. Okay, so I'm going to ask you a question. Do you think that Jordan has enough water? No. Excellent. So Jordan is one of the countries that suffer from water scarcity. That's mean there is no enough water in Jordan. Again, Jordan doesn't have enough water. هلا, because Jordan doesn't have enough water, we must save water and we mustn't waste water. We must save water. Okay? Now we are going to look at some examples of wasting water. Look at picture number 1. Look at the man. He's washing something by using a hose pipe. And this is the hose pipe is wasting too much water. Okay? So the man here has to use a bucket of water to wash the thing that he is washing it. Okay? And question number 2, what is the wrong with question number 2? What is the girl doing? Excellent, she's brushing her teeth. But the problem is she is turning the tap on. Look at the tap. This is the tap. She is turning on the tap while she's brushing her teeth. What does she have to do? She has to turn off the tap while she's brushing her teeth. Okay? Here, you have to have a shower, not having a bath. Why? Because taking shower or having a shower isn't wasting too much water. But on the other hand, having a bath is wasting too much water. Okay? Now we are going to move to page 42 in the student's book. So open your student's book, page 42. Okay, so what is the title? What is the title of paragraph here? Saving water. Excellent. So we are going to talk about saving water. Here we have two short paragraphs. We are going to listen to them. Then we are going to read them and understand them. Listen.
Student's Book, Page 42.
1. Listen, read and circle.
Water covers a lot of the earth. But less and less of this water is okay to drink because it is dirty. Every year, there are more people on the earth who need water. Many places do not have much water because it doesn't rain very often. This means we have to save water. But many people aren't using less water, they are using more. Often, people waste water. This means that they use water when they don't have to. We have to try to save water, not waste it.
Okay, so let's read the paragraph again. Water covers a lot of the earth, and we said this information before. Here, we said that the earth or water covers all of the earth or most of the earth. Okay. But less and less of this water is okay. Why? Because the most of the water is dirty. So, but less and less of of this water is okay to drink because it is dirty. Every year there are more people on the earth who need water. Okay, so every year people are, or the number of the people are increasing. Okay, so we have more and more people on the earth who need water. Many places don't have much water. Why? Because it doesn't rain very often. You know that the main source of water is rain, from rain. Okay, so because there are many places they don't have enough water, or it doesn't rain in this spot in these places, so they don't have much water. This means we have to save water. But many people aren't using less water, they are using more. Often people waste water. Do you think that people, or most of people, they they save water or waste water? Excellent. Most people they waste water. Just a few people save water. Okay, so often they waste water. This means what do we mean by wasting water? It means that they use water when they don't have to. So we have to try to save water, not waste it. We have to save water. Okay. Look at these two pictures. One of them represents wasting water, and the other one represents saving water. Okay, so instead of running the tap, instead of making that tap is running, okay, so you have to put some water on a bucket, okay, or in a container, then you can wash up the dishes. Okay, so we don't have to waste water, we have to save water. Okay, here we have to circle the correct answer. Every year there are more or less people. These two words, more and less, they have the opposite meaning. So every year there are more or less people in the world. Excellent. We have more people in the world. So because we have more people in the world, so every year we use more or less water. Excellent. We use more water. Okay. On this map, this is the world map. This map shows which parts of the world have got lots of water and which ones don't have enough. We know that there are some places they have enough water and other places they don't have enough water. Okay, look at the key here. The places that they are colored in blue, like this one, this one, this one, these ones, they have enough water. Okay, but the places that they are colored in orange, they don't have enough water, like these places and these places here, These places here, they don't have enough water. Okay, so I want you to look at the Jordan map here. Look at the Jordan. Is it colored in orange or in a blue? Excellent, in orange. So does Jordan have enough water? No, Jordan is one of the countries that they don't have enough water. Okay, now let's move to question number page 43. Question number one. We are going to answer some questions about ourselves to know if we are a water waster or not. Okay, we have four questions here. I'm going to answer about myself, and you are going to answer about yourself. Okay, question number one. How often do you turn the tap off while you brush your teeth? This is the tap. This, sorry. So, this is the tap. Okay. And how often do you turn off the tap while you brush your teeth? Always, sometimes, or never? I'm going to answer about myself. I always turn off the tap. Yalla, answer about yourself. And question number two, how often do you have a shower and not a bath? So we said that having shower isn't wasting too much time, but when you have a bath, it wastes too much water, too much water. So you have to use the shower or have a shower. How often do you have a shower, not a bath? I always have a shower, not a bath. And question number three, how often do you use a bucket of water to wash your bike and not a hose pipe? For me, I don't have a bike, but if I have a bike, I'm going to use the bucket of water to wash it. So I always uh, use a bucket of water to wash my bike. Okay, question number four. How often do you turn the tap off carefully so that it doesn't drip? You know that if you don't turn off the tap carefully, okay, it will drip. Okay, so how often do you turn off the tap carefully so it doesn't drip? I always turn off the tap carefully. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to count how many always do we have, how many sometimes, and how many never. هلا, each always has 2 points, sometimes 1 point, and never 0 point. Okay, هلا, here I have four always. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 8. هلا, if your score 6, 7, or 8, you are going to take here. Well, then you are very good at saving water. If your score is 4 or 5, you are going to take here and you are trying, but you can do better. If your score is 0, 1, or 2, or 3, not so good time to start saving. Okay? So answer these questions about yourself, and you are going to know if you are a water waster or not. Okay? This question, we are not going to do it. So this is the end. Thank you.